Question: what kind of tea kettle is the best, enamel or stainless steel? Answer: the stainless steel kettles have the chance of rusting, but it can be cleaned with the manufacturer's given instructions. You can control the rusting by washing it after every use. You can prevent the kettle from rusting by following the DIY hacks. The general practice of rust prevention is to fill the kettle with vinegar and water and boil the solutions for few minutes. After the boiling, let it cool down and then empty the kettle. Then wash the kettle with water and the dishwasher and dry it thoroughly. By following this method, you can use the kettle for a long time without getting rusted. The enamel steel has fewer chances of rusting, so you can use it without worry.